squishing stuff.
That's all right. Keep squishing.
Yay.
Okay, can you start to turn? Not fast. You don't have to turn fast. Just keep turning. Keep turning a little bit. Keep pedaling. Keep turning. Keep pedaling. Good job. Woohoo! Look at you. All right, kiddo. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. You're riding in a big circle.
Yeah.
Yay.
Now I'm doing it into an ice cream cone.
Okay, keep coming. Keep going. Just keep going. You're doing good. Head towards the shade. See if you can head towards the shade and then stop. Yeah, that's because you're trying to balance, but that's good. Just head towards the shade and then see if you can get off without letting the bike fall over. See if you can hop off like you did last time. Okay, stop pedaling. Oh, there you go. Yay! Let's see a celebration.
Yay.
That's not a celebration, a cartwheel or something. Come on.
Nice job, buddy. Nice job. Nice job.
Okay, how about a cartwheel?
What?
How about a cartwheel?
Fine.
All right. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah. That always happens.
All right.